All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make the stroke go around just the outside of the letters. So to start with that, I'm just going to delete that guy and bring out this type. So I typed out C and C here, right? And what we're going to do first, in order to get control of this, we're going to go up here to type, and we're going to pull down to create outlines, and then we're going to go up to object, and we're going to hit ungroup. Now I've got complete control of the letters. They're not a font anymore. I can't change this or anything. It's just now it's a shape as if I drew it from scratch. So now next, what I'm going to do is reflect it real quick, just to make the Chanel-ish looking logo, so we can just have something cool to look at. Nice. Okay, we're getting fancy. And now, if we go up here and we do a stroke, right? Typically, let's just go red again. There we go. And I'm going to pull window. I'm going to go to stroke, get out my stroke weight. You should always show options. There's a lot more stuff in here, so you can play with that stuff. In caps, corners, stuff like that. But for this video, I'm not going to get into that. And then now look at that. We have a C on top of a C, and they're not combined. So final part of this puzzle is we're going to go to window, Pathfinder. Now, you see that there's a bunch of little symbols here. They're kind of hard to dissect, but the first one is unite, and that just combines two of them into one. So, watch this. Ready? Boom. There we go. So that is connected now. It's solid. You're not undoing that. They're not grouped, nothing. They are united forever. So I'm going to undo that. You can undo it. So that's good. And then, you can see that there's other ones here where you can divide sections out. So now I've got, if I use the direct selection tool, I can just grab that part. So this is a really powerful palette, the Pathfinder, but that's how you do it. You're going to unite them with the Pathfinder. All right. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.